Let's take a look at these examples. Now, before we are going to convert any fraction to 2%, check if we can reduce that fraction. In this case, I have 4 and 10. Both of them, I mean numerator and denominator, I can reduce by 2. That's why I'm going to have 2 over 5. Now again, anytime you want to convert fraction to percent, you have to multiply fraction by 100%. As I said before, I'm going to use the same formula which I used for decimals. That's why I didn't change it. So I'm going to multiply that fraction by 100%. Again, I'm going to convert this to improper fraction because I'm dealing with fractions. Check if you can reduce any denominator with any numerator. So 5 and 100, both of them are divisible by 5. Okay, so that's why I'm going to have 2 over 1 times 100 divided by 5 gives me 20% over 1. Now I can perform the multiplication. Remember, anytime we multiply fraction, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. That's why I have 2 times 20 is 40% over 1. 40% divided by 1 is just 40%. This is the solution to my problem. Let's convert mixed number to percent. Okay? The very first thing what you're supposed to do, you have to convert mixed number to improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result you have to add to the numerator. So in this case, I'm going to have 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 over 2. Again, anytime I want to convert fraction to the percent, I have to multiply that fraction by 100%. So I'm going to write 100% over 1. Check if I can reduce any numerator with any denominator. 2 and 100. Both of them are divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to have 15 over 1 times, in this case, I'm going to have 50% over 1. Now I can perform the multiplication. Anytime I multiply fractions, I have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 15 times 50% is equal 750% over 1. Okay, so the answer is 750%, because 750% divided by 1 is equal 750%. Let's take a look at this example. Remember, anytime we are converting fraction to the percent, we have to multiply fraction by 100%. But notice that we have 100 in the denominator. So this makes our problem very simple. Because if I'm going to multiply this fraction by 100%, right, over 1, I can reduce this denominator with this numerator by 100, right? So take a look what I'm going to have. I'm going to have 78 over 1 times 1% over 1. So I'm going to have 78 times 1% is equal 78% over 1, which is equal 78% divided by 1 is just simply 78%.